opportunity here. If we get in around, no, I'd like to get in right around this 5-minute trend line as it's trying to break it short. MACD lines are just starting to turn, but we need sterling yen to continue to help. Euro dollar to short. Now we are on Friday, so a lot of things can happen to prevent this from getting follow through. But let's see. A lot of it's going to depend on if sterling yen isn't shorting, then I'm not interested in shorting the cable here. Yeah, the dollar yen was moving along a little bit. That was helping cable to short as well. But we need sterling yen to turn, and we need euro dollar to continue to short. And euro dollar's been really all over the place here. It's stuck right in this range, right in the channel. Okay. All right, Ali. Have a great weekend. Good to see you again. No, Monday will be fine, Frank. Yeah, my weekend's just packed here right now. I got a couple things I have to attend. All right, so cable. Okay, so I'm trying to get into cable here. 79.80. All right, I'm gonna go short here. 55, 81, 82, 82, 81. Okay. All right. All right, I got short at 81 here. Short cable 55, 55, 80, 81. My initial stop loss here at 93, but I'm going to be watching this closely because I don't. Gotta be careful. This sterling yen trying to move up. We want to move cable up right now. Dollar yen's helping it to stay at least stagnant. Okay, so euro dollar is helping to fuel the cable short, but that can be short-lived if euro dollar, finds this to be supportive at 28. That's why we still need sterling yen to get into a short mode. So, yeah. And if euro sterling shorts, that can also strengthen the sterling. That's why we need euro dollar. We need help from euro dollar. Yeah. Now the dollar Swiss is trying to help out by strengthening the dollar against the euro. Yeah, it's trying to weaken the euro. See if that will try to weaken this cable as well. Yeah, still not seeing a lot of follow through on sterling yen yet. Euro dollar trying to help out though. Really don't want dollar yen to get too excited about shorting either though. Yeah, so that just messes up the cable. So euro dollar shorts, let's see what that does to cable. Yeah, as soon as the when a dollar yen gets stagnant, that helps to short the cable. But all right, watch out this sterling yen. I mean, euro dollar is doing its job at shorting. I did not short euro dollar, but I need this sterling yen to help out here. Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Cable having a difficult time here. You can see, I mean, like, you only have to look as far as sterling yen and the euro and the dollar yen. Dollar yen shorts. That's trying to pull the cable up, even though euro dollar and euro dollar is one to short. I didn't get an euro dollar because we were coming down to support, but and euro dollar in general has been very choppy. But yeah, right now this cable, yeah, is um, not shorting because of that. Well, this euro dollar yen not helping. Sterling yen might move up. That's not going to help. And euro dollar now, euro dollar seemed like it wanted to test resistance. But Friday, you can see how choppy some of this price can be on Friday. Sometimes we get great trends on Fridays, though. I don't think this is going to be that day, but there are times we get especially on the dollar crosses, we can get some really good trends on Fridays, especially when the London market closes. I've got on the sterling yen, trying to move long, euro dollar, so I might just get right back out of here at 81. I'm not going to risk a whole lot on this. Yeah, again, somewhat of a timing trade. Cable should have shorted here with a little bit more veracity, but it's being torn apart here because of even when when the dollar yen starts to short and follows the sterling yen down, cable can't really get on that train. Yeah, 78. I'm gonna just get out of here. 78, 77, 76. It's the euro dollar. Ah, that was the one to get into. Here, look at euro dollar. Wow. Whoa. Sorry. Okay, so wow, very choppy. Now this is the reason I wanted to get into cable, because euro dollar was the one that was giving all the wicks and tails on the candles, and as soon as I get into cable short, now it's the one that's getting all choppy. Huh. Yeah. I was trying to avoid that volatility. That's why I stayed out of euro dollar. And euro dollar is still volatile, but at least it went down. Cable just cannot. Yeah, I thought it would come back, test the 1 minute trend line. but it's Friday and that may not happen. Yeah, euro dollar still weakening. Euro dollar shorting nicely here again. Okay. 71. Let's see if I can get a nice spread on this. All right, 69. So taking 2/3 off at 69. That's, again, that's coming back to the 1-minute trend line. So took 2/3 off here at 55.69. And moving my stop to break even. Okay. So again, I'll mark that here so we can see it 2/3 off here at 69. Again, especially on Friday, protect that capital as soon as you can. And that's one of the major emphasis of this trade suggestion, this trading strategy, sorry, is to, we got in at 81, wanted to capture my 10 pips as soon as I could. MACD lines are moving down, that's good. Again, we had breaking down from this 5-minute trend line, all right, and we have Euro Sterling at testing resistance, and MACD lines here are even though we're above the neutral area, indicating some bullish moves, we've really peaked out at resistance, indicating that the bear should be coming in. And Euro Dollar, the cross pair, has been very, very bearish and helped pull the cable down as well. Now the dollar yen's been a bit of a problem, but it is an inverse pair. So as soon as the dollar yen here started to move long, that created a even bigger bearish move on the cable to move down to the neutral area, and on the MACD line down to the neutral area, and allow us to take to come back to this 1-minute trend line, which we have a training module on that as well, teaching you how to trade back to the 1-minute trend line, even though I can't say that this was a retracement or a counter trend trade, because our 5-minute trend line, this blue line, is trending down. But still, we know we have to respect these 1-minute trend lines regardless. So, I got my 10 there captured. We'll see if we get more out of this. And we will still need, the sterling yen to short or euro dollar to get back into a short mode, to see if we can get cable to move towards its next level of support. And that support is going to be way down here at 55.42. So at this point, I have my limit down about 10 pips above 42, and I have of course my stop is now set at break even on the remaining position, which is a small position. So now I can just walk away and see where the market will take. It's all bonus at this point. So that's why I use that exit strategy the way I do.